Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get to the Vanguard Notification Center, which is really about managing your alerts. Vanguard provides several types of notifications to keep you informed about your investments and account activity. Understanding how to access and customize these alerts is key to staying on top of your financial goals. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you receive the most relevant information directly. To begin, log in to your Vanguard account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, you can often find important account-specific messages within your online profile or dashboard. Vanguard also sends email alerts for significant events, such as transaction confirmations or security updates. Always review these communications promptly to ensure everything is in order with your investments. For market-specific information, you can enroll in email alerts for individual stocks and exchange-traded funds. These alerts provide timely updates on price movements, trading volume, and relevant news, helping you make informed decisions. You have the flexibility to update your alert preferences, change your email address, or cancel the service at any time directly through your Vanguard account settings. Vanguard also offers options for enhancing your account security and communication. You can opt to receive text message updates regarding transaction statuses, providing an extra layer of awareness. It's crucial to review all information sent by Vanguard via mail, email, and text. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Staying informed and secure is a top priority for your financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.